channel kama kawa kama da. As you can see, niko ushago maneno taking queen cake. This is my favorite brand of queen cakes. Zinakuanga tamu as long as it has this pink label on it. And I'm taking chai in it, editing a video. Actually, when you'll be watching this video, the video that I'm editing it already up. And just keep along as we do this together. So continue subscribing, liking and share the video. Okay, sweethearts, this is the current situation. This is the maize, and you have to pluck maize over here. So imeiva hivo, some are dry. This is how we're going to do it. Let me show you some. You see, village life. And we have Mwangi over here. Mwangi is helping us carry some maize. Gaka nekarere dogesi negato nega small camera. So let me just show you what I'm going to do. So definitely, as you can see, this way to my dad's resting place. Let me show you this. Daddy, I'm here. Morning, daddy. So this is the flour that I was telling you. Zote zilikauka except mine. This one. My sister ilikuanga pale. I don't know when, maybe mama alikuwa na weed, alitoa yote kama hajui, because they had left my sister's flowers big tall. You can see my flower is in here. I told Dad that he should really take care of my flower. And that's why I decided, like, I'm going to buy a lot of flowers and make it so nice. Yeah, that's it. That's Daddy Paul Njuguna Kamau. And this is what you're going to wind. Unaona venye kunaka, there's a lot of weeds over here. Na sasa hii inasaidianga sana. If one has some rabbits, ni food for rabbits. But since we don't have some goats, some macao, zote tu zitafia kwa. Yeah, these how tall our maize are. Ni nzuri za kuchemsha. Mnaona vile zinakaa? It's so sunny. I just love it. In here, Ushago village. So let me just pass over here. I decided to show you a bit of it as we continue. Go hapa nimevaa viatu za my sister. Ndo hizi hapa. And we're going to do this with it easy. Nani anajonga? Nani zinakwanga hizi? It looks like pumpkins lakini zile mwitu. Pumpkin leaves lakini vya mwitu, they are not edible enough. That's mom over here. Good. So these are some of the maize. Na venye ni kubwa wadau, and they are so soft.
Sika, hiyo.
Hii. Inakulika because it's soft.
Sin soft.
Za mutungo. Karasi yako hii.
Na choya ukiaragia hau. Na nijugaga tikuwa droyo.
Droyo mwagi tingekuwa. Mwagi mwasi.
Donire. YouTube kana nike. Mamu anyu hende mwaikoroka macani-ini mugikira fertilizer. Ukimwira hapa. Gai, kukoneka gwiguthaka ma.
Ndiakwiraga. Kwa gwiguthaka. No nirio gwe hana ndoire na gako kamera ta makamwangi.
Ngurumo ni thaka.
Ne mwangi no na mutumia haha. Tia uthaka.
Mutumia uriko?
No na mutumia mundu akwenda uguo. I want that handsome young man. How can I? Kana mundu gani arenda guikiria kindu ni haku mwangi.
Nie ndenda man kite. Man kite ya digeire riri. Cietagwo atia?
Makbul. Ehe.
Adigeire nyamũ ĩno ĩtagwo kĩrĩa?
Kĩ?
Ĩtagwo atia? Ĩtagwo atĩa? Karareci ĩno yahakagwo mũndũ ena mbuĩ.
Dai.
Weciende diribia cigana? 5.
Maheni.
Ehakĩire harĩa akĩndigĩra.
Akikwĩra akĩkũnengera.
Ngĩona ndirĩ mbuĩ. Ngĩneana.
Ĩkĩhakwo kĩmĩendia 5.
5. Ndaugaga ĩno yumaga 2,000.
Hau Mwangi wagwĩrĩire atĩa?
Ndindaga ngĩũrĩrĩria.
Amũheire njohi.
Na njohi. Ona ndiokĩrire.
Atwathirio komete. So besties, after tumekongoa mahindi, we are going to make them dry over here, zikwe dry. Na mkiona vumbi ziko huko juu, it's because the road zinajengwa.
Imana ndĩranjĩra na nĩndĩndegiaria. Sawa, nĩ wega. Rĩu nyonaga YouTube kĩnyona. Nyonaga YouTube kĩnyona ũrĩa cionagwo. Rĩu we nona rĩo oinire. Nderagwo nĩ mũndũ Siko po. Nĩ araina nyĩmbo. Niĩ nditoro ndiĩ YouTube rĩ. Ndiamenyaga. Rĩu we niĩ ndĩragwo nĩ andũ.
Weragwo nĩ andũ.
Ngĩcoka kona.
Aya, tondũ ndwetĩkagia.
Ndiĩtĩkagia.
Nĩ hidden talents Mwangi. Kumbe nĩ monaga broti.
Nowe.
Na ndimenye.
Wewe nĩ mũndũ wa bata. Tigana harĩa.
Adatigana harĩa kĩ Mwangi.
Utakinyagĩra Jesse. Mwene ageithio nĩ gada ya macamba-inĩ.
Gada ya macamba-inĩ. Simon.
Yes.
Kuota jua nayo.
Kuota jua. Ushago.
Ushago maneno. Yeah, hapa mahindi ni mingi. This is the first batch. Already is done. We have the second one. That one huko. Now the big maize. Besties, and this is the end of it all. Meona mahindi isha kongolewa yote. Not kongolewa, imetolewa kwa maganda yake. And this is it all. So if you have really enjoyed these kind of videos, kindly do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Na vinye ni mingi. These are lots. Igwata ndaikarira mai haha. That's the end of it all. This is for this video. Keep tuned so that you learn more of village life.